Let's review a file that we recently closed in Jamaica Queens here. This was a single family, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a huge lot size, 45 by 100. And it was sold for $775,000. This client put down 10% down payment, which was $77,000. And their monthly liability was around $5,600, right? This is pretty much on the higher end. This is your credit cards, student loans, any other mortgages or lease payments that you have, right? On this file, there were 2 borrowers. And from those two, we look at the credit scores of the worst candidate, who has the lower credit scores. So the second person had 678, and that's what we used. And for combined income for both of them put together, we used the income of $140,000, and both were taxi drivers, okay? And for their property taxes, less than $6,000, and home insurance around $1,300. They got a pretty good price for their home insurance here. And they used a conventional conforming loan here. You can see that here. And after their down payment, their loan amount was $697,000. Okay, and the interest rate they got was 6.49, and principal and interest based on this interest was $4,408. Okay, and if you're a first-time home buyer, what we mentioned that you always want to see these amounts cannot change after the closing. Because this person put down less than 20%, they have to pay mortgage insurance, which is in their case $430, okay, because of their lower credit scores. And they want to put in extra money for escrow, which is going to be paying their property taxes and home insurance. So collectively, their mortgage payment is going to be $5,423. Their closing cost was $30,000, and we're going to give you a breakdown of that, okay? One, in section A here, they did want to buy down the rate just a little bit, paid around $1,100 there, and the underwriting fees was around $1,200. Okay, the things that they did not shop for, the services that they did not shop for, their credit report or appraisal, was there was no appraisal here. Appraisal waiver was there, so less than $200 there. Services that they did shop for, this is their title company, which their attorney orders the title, nearly $4,000 there. Government fees, depends on which county that you live in. Government fees going to be different from county to county. For this one was around $13,000 there. Okay, prepaids, these are the services that they paid for already. Their home insurance $1,268, and their prepaid interest that they have to pay at the closing, so which is nearly $4,500 there. Okay, and escrow account that we're starting out with for their home insurance for 5 months and their property taxes for 4 months. So we're putting in $2,300 there. Okay, once you add all of them up, you will get around $30,000. And when they came to the office, we gave them a loan estimate of $32,000, and we finalized it at $30,000. So if you're looking in Queens, New York, anywhere in New York, please get in touch.